I know who will call. Bye, Ripping.
Oh, man. I still got a headache. I left the house. I don't know exactly why, but so I leave the house. I go shopping. I bring the virus back to my house, right? What good does that serve? I got a mask and I got gloves on. So when I come back in, so I bought a bread. I went to the Italian deli. I buy the cold cuts. Aren't the cold cuts poisoned by the virus? The bread that I bought, the bread's been sitting out there. Doesn't the bread have the virus on it? So I brought the virus back to my house. I'm going to eat the bread. Am I going to look at the bread? I'm going to have to rebake the bread. What am I going to do? I'm going to spray Lysol on my food. So, I mean, are we ever going to be safe? I don't know. But what I do know is I reached out to a couple of guys today, and I offered triple the amount that they want for their room. And all I wanted was a service. The guy gave me some snide remark. He's like, why don't you keep the $10,000, just put up the $300 for the month and put the other $9,700 in an account, and we'll show you how to make money. I was like, no, I don't want that. I want you to give me 1 week free trial, and then I'll give you $10,000 on top of the $300 you want for the month. How about that? And he said no. I was like, you just refused $10,000. I will show you the $10,000 in my hand. Is that what you need? I will whatever you need me to do, I will do. But you have to do the one thing for me, is give me 1 week access to this magic potion that you have, so I could see if it works. If it works, it'll be worth $1 million to me. I'll be willing to give you $10,000. And he said no. So there you go. Not only will they not offer a free trial, but he's willing to forego $10,000. I was like, I'll pay for 10 different people to join your room if you could prove it to me that it's real. He said no. So you're a fucking scam artist. Again, if you don't offer a free trial, you're a scam artist. You're a charlatan. Everybody whatever anybody said about me is what I'm saying about you now. So anyway, to the guy that was looking for a pick service, today was one of those days. Every pick worked. All 117 trades worked in a row. Not one loser. And every single one was at least a 300% gainer. How about that? Sick, right? Sick. And you missed it. So now it's too bad. Today would have been that day where no matter what pick you took, of the picks, if you would have picked any pick that I picked, you would have picked a pick over the pick that I picked and a pick to the pick. Especially if you had the PCG today from yesterday. We started buying that stock yesterday on a gut that it held back, it pulled back to a certain level, whatever. I'm not going to get the whole thing. You got to be a part of what we're doing here. I mean, PCG alone today, you made your entire lifetime subscription to me. See, that's the point. What I try to do. Okay. Oh, I forgot to get the lozenges. God damn it. Oh, that's right. I went to the wrong store anyway. I just went to the food store, and the supermarket was an hour and a half wait just to get in. So I went to the mom and pop little Italian specialty place instead. So anyway, we're talking about, again, I don't want to get my trial in trouble with libel or slander, but if you're going to put a commercial on before my video, I'm going to criticize you in particular. So we're talking about trade net. Sorry. Let me get the right name. Oh, I lost it. Well, just play any of my videos. His video comes up before all the videos. So let me see if I can find it. I'll just click on any random video. There he is. There he is. He comes up on every goddamn video. His parents thought he was a drug dealer because he was making so much money. Is that right, buddy? Info.truetrader.net. So True Trading System, it's free. You click on it. It brings you to this stupid ass video to show you how much money he made and all the, in these two simple trading steps, blah, blah, blah. Oh, now he made $116,000 in the last 30 days. with 30 days left to work, no overnights and all that stuff. Okay. So what do you even need my 10 grand, right? But I was willing to pay him $10,000. On and on and on. On and on and on. But you know what I hate is these videos where it's a half an hour video about how he's going to make me money, but they don't say anything. It's a half an hour that you make your wait. Going on and on and on. Yes, give me the instant. And they always say the same thing. Only for serious traders only. I'm serious trader. I'm serious trader. I've got money, and he doesn't want to take my money because he knows I'll expose him. You know I'm going to expose you, right? Because if anything's that easy, you're faking it. You're lying. All right. Now I don't know for a fact. I'm not going to say I know for a fact that this dude does not make $175,000 in the last 30 days. $116,000, 392 in the last 30 days, with less than 30 minutes of work per day. So this guy only traded the first half an hour of the day, and he's up $116,000, 392 in the last 30 days. That's fantastic. It's fantastic. So again, he's crushing the world, right? Show me. Give me 3 days of access to your genius. 3 days. That's all I want. In 3 days, I can tell whether or not you're bullshit or not, right? 3 days. So once again, I'm the only person that's brave enough to put myself out there for nothing. I'm never going to ask you for a credit card. You're not going to have to cancel your subscription after a month. Plus the other guy, remember, it was $20 for the first month. $20 for the first month, but if you don't cancel, they start charging you $400 a month for the other service that I am trying to expose. I want to be the whistleblower of the industry. Man, I'm fucked up right now. I can't even keep my eyes. This is how as much as my eyes open up right now. Look at that. My brain is freaking mushy. I don't know whether it's this virus or not, or allergies have got me, but I don't know, man. I ain't feeling right. It's been like a week now. Damn. So here's another thing. You better join soon because I might spontaneously combust one of these days. Come on, I'm the last honest guy in this industry. I wish I could tell you I made $100,000 on PCG. I should have. I mean, that was my pick. That was my favorite idea going in from yesterday into today. And what did I do? I sold some puts on it and I bought some stack. I bought a little bit. I mean, seriously, if I would have just sat here and had some conviction on this trade, the $9 calls this morning were 40 cents. They went out at $2.40. Ooh. Imagine I just felt like putting 40 grand to work on this idea. It's $250,000 in one trade. But that's not even, the $10 ones were the ones that were, I didn't want to buy the $10 ones because I was hoping, here's what happened. When the stock broke 930 this morning, I was like, all right, this thing's definitely going to 950. That's all I'm thinking, 20 cents. It was gapped up, whatever. I read the headline. It seemed like it was a bad headline. I love buying a stock that's going up on what seems to be bad news. It's always a good time to buy a stock like Zoom today and eHealth. Talked about it earlier. But, by the way, has anybody noticed Halliburton? Halliburton? I gave you that one. Come on. All right, but enough of this bullshit. Bottom line, what I'm doing here is I'm giving you the info so you can make money, so you can afford to hang out with us. It's the greatest business plan. It works for everybody. I prove myself. You pay me. Everyone's a winner, right? No credit cards needed. And all I'm asking for is a one-time lousy fee. Join the goddamn club. You get me for the rest of your life, or as long as I live. Well, hopefully I push through this. And if, hey, look, if I don't make it, you got my buddy. I taught him everything he knows. Now he's kicking ass. He does 3 hours now. But if you're coming in and you're looking for just a pick and you don't hear, please, for the love of God, buy PCG at $9.30 with the stop at $9.15. We're looking for it to go to $10, and you don't hear it and you miss it, and then you hear it and then you buy it at $10.40 and it pulls back 40 cents and you sell it and then it closes at 11. You could still blow the pick if you don't know what you're doing. Call me. We'll talk when I get my voice back. Info. I don't sell anybody unless you are in the room. I want you to be dumbfounded by what I've done. Then say, "Hey, I want to join." See what kind of a nice guy I am? I don't even want to sell. I want you to be there and say, "Holy shit, I can't believe that PCG today. I can't believe that Halliburton. I can't believe that Twitter. Damn, that was a great call on UVXY. I made X amount of dollars. How can I join for the rest of my life?" That's the conversation I want to have. But I appreciate you want to join. Come and join us. The Warlock. I can't type now. What is going on here? The Warlock. Oh my God, my head hurts. Bid.com. Email me. It's $5 billion. It'll be worth it. I'll make you $6 billion in a week. Halliburton is on the precipice of a monster move. Okay, if we break 885 tomorrow, oh Billy, I got 2 prices. I'll give you another free present, right? If you're not in Halliburton yet, which I don't know why, I've been only talking about it for 3 weeks now. Halliburton, you sons of Gundersons. Halliburton, yes, that Halliburton. We're at 883 right now. Huge number, right? If we can get over 883 tomorrow, oh my God. 957. So 957 on Halliburton. If you break 957 tomorrow, oh man, I'm going to buy a new car on Halliburton tomorrow. I'm going to go crazy on Halliburton tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be tomorrow's going to be the day where I step my size up 1,000-fold. None of this 100 contract bullshit. I'm buying 10,000 contract. I'm going to put $25,000 on a $9 call tomorrow if this thing starts breaking out. I'm hearing that I should be best friends with this guy. I have no idea. But he's just a guy that has nothing to do right now, and he decided to become a day trader, right? Tell Dave to call me. I'm hearing that we should be friends. I actually know people that it could reach out to him because Barstool Sports, I had friends that used to work for Barstool Sports, right? Barstool Sports, yeah. Speaking of that, where's my man Ryan? Plus, guys, look, I'm willing to use the barter system because I'm a hippie commune kind of guy. I'm an anarchist. I believe in communes. I believe in the barter system. You don't have to pay me. If you could be my indentured servant. If you can't come up with the money to be a part of what we're doing, then I will find things for you to do. You could be my indentured servant. Two guys that are in the room worked off their membership fee by doing some shit for me. Nothing disgusting or vile. I know some of you are probably thinking something nasty just now. No, they worked for me. They sent out emails. They made phone calls. They reached out to other people. I'm like the Amway of trading, right? I got guys that were members that are now salespeople. Who better to call new guys than people that have experienced my wonderment and greatness, right? Nothing's better than that. It's not like I'm cold calling people. Oh, by the way, I heard one of my guys called somebody out there. You want to hear this? They were so insulted at the fact that we were making phone calls to try to help people in this time of turmoil. In this time of turmoil. In this time of turmoil is when you need me more than ever. You don't see me losing money in this market, home slices. Chief yelling at one of my boys. You got him all startled now. He's all startled. You yelled at him. Take it easy. We're calling you to do you a favor, right? You should be happy that we're reaching out to you. Holy shit, you're still doing this? My God. Oh, really? I get to come back to the chat room still for nothing to see what you do? Really? Damn, how do I do that? Not yelling at my boy, scolding him for trying to take advantage of people in this time of turmoil. This time of turmoil could have been the greatest opportunity of your life, especially because we were shorting everything on February 20th, homie. Thursday, February 20th, go look at my Twitter feed. Very nervous about the market. I'm going bearish, selling everything I own, buying puts on the Qs and owning UVXY, telegraphed. Come on. This didn't have to be the worst time of our lives. I mean, it's pretty awful. No sports, no fun, no concerts, trapped in my house. My throat hurts. I'm paranoid. I'm a hypochondriac. I'm having a panic attack every 3 days. But you know what I'm not doing? Losing money. The only thing I lost money on was the stupid space. Holding on to it. I might somehow dollar cost my average the fuck out of that awful trade. Yeah, whatever. I bought way too much. I got a little bit excited, and I when it broke 30 bucks, I just said, I'm not going to sell it. And then I wasn't there that day, and the next thing you know, it's down 10 more points, and then I'm like, all right, I guess I'm never selling it. That one I got stupid with. Other than that, dude, there's my man. It's guys like you, Ryan. I need you to help me. I cannot do this myself. I'm running out of steam. I got a good 3 hours a day, 9 to 12, kicking the fucking shit out of the world, right? I need marketers. I need guys that know how to work this YouTube angle. I need algorithmic guys. I need guys that know about OBS. I need guys that know about social media marketing. I'm old. I'm a curmudgeon at this point. I couldn't even figure out the live stream for 3 months. And then I finally figured it out. I need you guys. Like I said, barter system. I've got 25,000 people that have come through my website. You know how many members we have? We have 120 members. I should have 10,000 people in my chat room. It's not like I've done anything wrong this time. It's that people don't listen, like the guy with the gold and the 9 monitor guy. And the oh, I forgot to put the stop loss guy. Oh, I need more buying power so I can hedge, so I can add to my shitty position guy. It's not my fault you guys blew up your account. I'm still doing this. I've blown up. I got hammered in that space trade after all said and done. Where am I now? It's fine. Shake it off. It's one bad, stupid idea. I want to be able to broadcast what I'm doing and not have to take too many additional steps. If I could do it all at once, that's what we want. So the YouTube and the room I could do simultaneously. That's why I'm doing that. We get the Discord shit going, and then I need somebody to run my stock twits room, which I don't do shit with. Blast out the ideas there. Let all those pissants get involved. The guys who just want the picks. Whoa. Bro. Speaking of space, what's up? Damn. Stock's moving. Why is it still moving right now? Space. I'm telling you, man, selling premium has been a freaking just awesome. I've been selling premium on space. Once it went under 10, you got $7.50, $8 puts lying around for a quarter. Why not? You sell 10 of them, you take in $300, you wait a week, the stock's not going back under 10. And if it does, you buy 1,000 shares, you get stuck with 1,000 shares at $8. Under 10? Come on. Wow, look at Halliburton, 888. Crazy 88s, man. Halliburton's breaking out in the aftermarket. This is cray-cray. PCG, cray-cray. Wow. But yeah, man. Yeah, you need to get the account going. I got people that want to fund you also. I'm not involved. I'm telling you, I'm not involved. I'm just mentioning it. I have no vested interest in any of this crap. Just see what we do. Sick. Today was sick. Today's the day where you need to kill it. You know, I don't like talking about how you can get rich, but you're getting rich in this market. You got some money to put to use. You're making more money in this market these last 10 or 15 days than you've ever seen, ever imaginable. I mean, stocks are going up in 100% increments. The options are not priced accordingly because no one knows what the hell to expect. So they're still a little juiced. But if you get in the right place, Halliburton doesn't usually move in 10% increments. So the options are priced for a stock that generally moves in 2% increments. So you could buy some Halliburtons and leverage up, and you turn nickels into quarters, quarters into dollars. You're making 4, 5, 7 times your money. I mean, PCG was 1,000 times your money today, right? No, not 1,000 times. More or less. I mean, what did it wind up doing, PCG? So sick. Oh, 10, 20, 55 times your money in the PCG option. Did I do that trade? No, I'm just saying. It was mentioned. Nobody did it. It was a kind of a lotto idea, but then damn, did that hit. 55 times your money. Woo! Sick. You know what 55 times your money is? 55 times your money. If you decided, all right, this Glick guy seems to know what he's talking about. I'm going to put $200 on this next idea. Imagine you just walked into the chat room today. You're like, you know what? I've been listening to this asshole on YouTube for 8 years. Let's see what he's got. All right, what's the goddamn password? All right, cool, I'm in. Next first thing you hear is PCG. Ah, these options are only 3 cents. Maybe I should get them. You buy them. 55 times your money. So, well, no, sorry, you wouldn't have got them at. You would have got them at 3. So 3. Let me do the math. Hang on a second. 43 times your money. Still. So let's say you decide to take $200 and do that. 40 times. So $200 times 43. There you go. $8,600 on your first trade if you decided to do that trade today. Oh, you know what? Fuck it. I'm in. $300. Let's see what Glick's all about. At the end of the day, you're up $8,000. I mean, and then you have no problem signing up. How much is a lifetime subscription? Oh, $6,000? I'm still up $2,500. Let's do this. And you're in for life. You're in for life. Nothing to pay, no credit cards. We set your charts up. You're in with us forever. Every class I do, every course I do, every pick you could possibly pick. Fucking Halliburton. I don't know what's going on. I mean, today, my 2 stocks are on fire. Halliburton and PCG. I don't know what to make of it. I'm not going to ask any questions because once you ask questions, you've already lost. You've already lost. And to my friend who thought it was all luck, bro, that you've already lost. Don't trade. Don't do this. Whatever you have in the market, take it out. I'm not trying to be a dick about it. You know, or I'm being as honest and brutal maybe as possible. Halliburton, holy shit. $8.85. I'm buying more. I don't care. Halliburton. What the hell? You guys looking at the Halliburton? We just broke $8.85, homies. Wow. Halliburton. Well, there goes the $9 option for tomorrow. I was counting on the $9 option. But what the hell was I just saying? Oh, yeah. If you think it's luck, you've already lost. You've already lost. If you think it's luck, then don't do it, because there's no luck involved whatsoever. Luck is yes, everything is all right. But Halliburton, this thing's going up a little bit too much now. Wow. Wow. What is going on? Wow. Seriously, what the hell's going on? I mean, it's taken away from the trade that we were going to do tomorrow. I was planning on buying $9 calls for Halliburton tomorrow. Damn. That's my money right there. Is oil going like through the roof right now or something? Wow. Halliburton. Halliburton, goddammit. Are you looking at the oil stocks? Look at the Oxy, look at Halliburton, look at APA. I mean, it's like I am the warlock, I guess. I'm actually rooting for it to stop going up and taken away from the trade tomorrow. I was ready to load up on the $9 options tomorrow. This thing opened up at under 885. We were looking for it to break 885 because it's all luck. If it breaks 885, there's only one spot for the stock to go to. Oh my God. It's almost there already. Oh God damn it, man. Wow. This is just stupid now. This is dumb. They're taking all the money and they're gonna ruin the trade for tomorrow. Oh my Lord. They're gonna ruin it. It's ruined. 918s are trading. Oh, bro. I gotta go on a 20-year chart to find any resistance at these levels. Let me see. I'm looking for something between 885 and 1273. Let's go back 20 years. Here we go. All right, there's some resistance there. Holy shit. 9 1/4 we're at now, homies. Oh my God. There you go. 959. I love Oxy. I love APA. I love Halliburton more. Big Al's going to owe me a car after this. Oh, baby. By the way, who was talking? You talking shit about my Halliburton today, homie? Oh, shit. 959. That's where you're going tomorrow. You break 959, you're going to see Halliburton sitting there at a big fat 10 spot. And then Monday morning, this is opening up at 1266, and I'm going to retire. So you better get in here quickly, because I'm buying 100,000. I'm buying 100,000 of this stock. And I'm going to make. I mean, these last 4 points have been pretty great, but you know what? These next 4 points are where you want to make the money. Halliburton under 5. You ain't seeing that opportunity. It's a once in a 15, 20-year opportunity to get Halliburton under $5. I told you. I bought more at 885. I have to. God dang. The only resistance this thing has is not 960. You get through 960 tomorrow. Oh, you're going to 10 and a quarter. You get through 10 and a quarter. You got 1165. Holy shit. And then fast forward to where we are now. Halliburton, 1275. Wow. There it is, boys. Your 3-month VWAP, schlickety ding dang. Oh my fucking God. I got to get my dad on the phone. These options were $265. We're going to be blasting out of some of them at $5 tomorrow. All right, we'll save this for a later on conversation. Halliburton. Woo! Dang. Short squeezes and complete and utter stupidity. That's what this market's all about. That's what it's all about, man. It doesn't make any sense. This market should not be going up, but it is, and it's fan-freaking-tastic. And you know what? If we get slammed on Monday, even better. Because you don't want it to V-bottom. It takes away all the goodness. Because then you're going to get to a point where it becomes a choppy consolidation awfulness. But man, wow. Halliburton. Man. PCG Halliburton. This is like $1 billion day back in my younger days. Sitting here trading 200 shares of fucking PCG today. I mean, I traded it a couple of times, but the core, I bought 200 shares yesterday, selling puts like a goofball. Whew. Damn. Sick.
I go to Caden's house.
Sup?
Since Kevin was clear. Why don't Caden come here? You want to come here? Hey, wait, is he allowed in the house?
Who's Josh?
We just have to sit outside.
No, let's just do that.
All right. That.
He's on the phone. Gotta wait a minute.
All right. Well, you can come here.
Nah, chill, buddy. Don't matter what happens tonight. This is a squeeze. This thing's gonna open. Hopefully, it opens back up on the 885 tomorrow, man. I'll go over PCG. Smoke. All right, I'll see you guys later. I forgot why I was making this video in the first place. I think the only thing that keeps me sane is if I just keep talking about the stock market. It's like the only time that I don't feel pain in my head. Ooh, Angel, IHOB.
It's not letting me hang.
I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, I thought you were actually trying to say something. Libra collective fan. I thought you were trying to make sense of something. You're just spamming. I thought you were actually saying some shit. But anyway, wow. So, yeah, man, I'm hiring indentured servants. I'm looking for people to hold on. I need people to help me. That's how busy shit has got. And it's just like I'm like a fledgling business, man. What? All right, this person's going to spook me. I got to get out of here. I'm going to be launching tonight around 9 o'clock if I'm awake. We're going to be talking some options and some more stuff. I'll see you guys later. By the way, any of you guys out there that watch my videos, if you subscribe to anybody else's room or you pay for other services, tell them I'm challenging. I'm taking on all challengers, all of them. All right. Anybody want to come step to this guy right here? You're going to fail. And all I want is you to shut your channel down and give me all your subscribers. And then also teach me how you got 7,000 subscribers. That's all I want. I will supply the money. I just want you to go away and give me back YouTube to the king. I started this. I want it back. I started it. I'm the Howard Stern of this shit. I'm the Joe DiMaggio of trading. I'm the Abraham of assets, the Barack of bread, the Cain of cash, the David of ducats, the Elijah of earnings, the Frank of funds, the Glick of gelt, the Harry of Hendersons. Comes after H-I, the Isaac of income. I want YouTube. I want to own it. And I want to put an end to all those suckers. Because, man, if you can't offer a free trial, you ain't worth shit. You are shit. Hit the bricks, pal, and beat it because you are going out. You can't offer a free trial. You got nothing to offer at all then. See ya.